Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Karanjaphilip. Guys, and if you're watching for first time, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. And for the returning subscribers, feel welcome and I appreciate for your support. Guys, here I'm on my way. I'm going to take a vehicle to one of my relatives. It has been a while since I was there, so I want to go and see how she's doing. So guys, yeah, I'm just trekking. I'm heading to stage to board a matatu, which is a vehicle, to a place called Sabaki, which is just in this county, Kajiado County, still in Kitengela. I'll be giving some developments on how the place has developed so far. You know, this region, it used to be the one for wild animals, but as time has gone, people they have turned the place to become a residential place, because of there are some companies that have been erected in this area. There are lots of them, especially for the people who do stay around here. Most of them, they work just here in Kitengela. Even most people from Mlolongo, there is a place called Mlolongo. Others who stay just here at Kitengela, they work here in Kitengela. There are many companies here, especially the one that deals with the garment, which is textile industries. So guys, I'll be giving you some developments. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So keep on. I'll be giving you some developments. Guys, here I've reached on a bus stop. I'm waiting for the vehicle to come. So let me wait and see whether I'll be able to get a vehicle up to the place. So just enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view, guys. It looks so amazing. It looks so amazing, guys. Here there is a beehive. Someone has kept here 3 beehives, guys. You can look well, guys. There is some 3 beehives just alongside the bus stop. So stay tuned, guys. Let's enjoy and keep on subscribing, guys. This road, the government want now to do it to be a tarmac road. It has been a rough road for a while. Now you see there is some they are doing some drainage system. So maybe in some comes like maybe it can take like 1 year till be complete the road. There is an active going place here. There are some men doing this project on a serious note. Enjoy the view, guys. Just look at it. The area is on serious construction. They have done the water system they are trying to do here, guys. The road will be so nice, guys. This road, it has been a problem to the people who are staying to this region here, especially when it's sunny. There's a lot of dust. You can't manage to pass here, especially with a white cloth like the t-shirt, the one I'm wearing. For night it will be so dusty, but because they are doing construction, so they were to direct the vehicles to use another route. They have changed the route, so yeah, you can only see the bikes and the people who are on foot. Here, guys, just look at the place. There is heavy machine. And serious here. It's lunchtime, and now the masonry and the other workers, I think they have gone for lunch. For now they are just few. I can see now here like 3 to 4 there. So they are taking their lunch and then they embark with their work on a serious note. Wow, this is the kind of the work that we like, for development, for an area to develop properly. We have to get a nice road network. The place. Yes, the place, guys. Oh yeah, it's the place. Enjoy the view, guys. Look at the scenery, guys. It's a very nice place, guys. The way they have planted the flower in a very professional manner. With a very nice shade. Here the sun is hot. It's burning so heavy. This is so nice, guys. So I can say maybe the vehicle, the one that are they have left one exit. So the road, the one that is connecting to the main road. There is a road just ahead where I'm approaching to. Guys. So guys, if you are watching for the first time, guys, please consider subscribing and like, comment and share. That's one way of supporting me, guys, to grow, guys. I'm so humble. I'm so humble, guys. So humble, guys. Just enjoy the video until the end. Enjoy the video until the end, guys. Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view. I have now arrived, guys. Now the place is here. I have now arrived to the place. I don't know whether there are people or they went to church. Let me see whether there is some people. So guys, now I am arrived. Guys, I've just arrived now, and I want to give you just a little bit tour of the compound where I've just arrived. If you look well, this is a gate, the one they are using when they do the compound. Here is the gate. They lock like this. You can open like this, or you close using the chain. Using the chain, guys. And also there is some metals here. So someone from far, he didn't head somewhere where he can keep these metals. It was for a shop. So he demolished the shop and he carried the metals, and he came and kept it here. So it's here for a while. The owner will come and take them back the time when it will be ready. You know, the transportation cost may be a little bit expensive, but the guy is from far, so we need to wait for the money to come and collect the metals. So here there is a store where they have kept some cement, and there is also a hose pipe here. And there is this one, the pipe. This one is for this pipe here is for most people, they use it for either especially to connect the pipe with the septic tank from the house. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. That's how it is. Guys, and if you're watching for the first time, guys, please just give me a like, subscribe, and also comment. Guys, I like this compound. Here there is some remaining of the sand soil here. This one is, here the compound is not yet over. They are still building. only ground floor, the one that is operating. But for the upstairs, that one, I think it will be done later. So guys, here there is a plant. This one is just a flower. They have tied it like this so that they place something like a shade just at the top here. There will be a shade. It will spread and make something like a canopy just at the top. There is another one here. This one here, guys, the compound is so cool, so nice, beautiful. Just enjoy it, guys. You see, the chicken saw me and they started running towards me. Yeah, they are just here. Someone looking for also a shed. The chicken, you know, this is one of the special meals, especially here in Kenya. There is a community of which I'm one of that community which likes the chicken. In case if there is something like a party and you fail to slaughter a chicken, even if you have slaughtered a bull, no matter how big is it, without a chicken, that they consider it not being a party. And they'll say that party wasn't good enough. Even there was no food because there was no chicken. Just look at them, guys. Look at them. It's chicken here, guys. This is their tray where they normally feed from. This is where they do feed from. You can see they were eating. This is greens, which is kales. So guys, kales, you know, for the meat, the one for the chicken to be sweet, it has to feed also on the greens. It has to feed also on the greens, not only the chicken feed, but also on the greens. So enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view, guys, until the end. This is the pumpkin. This is the pumpkin leaves, of which, apart from the pumpkin itself, the fruit, we also here in Kenya we feed on the leaves. We use it with the especially supper with the corn flour with maize flour to make a bread, and the meal is mostly taken at night. And the people who love that one here, especially here in Kenya, Luya, of which I belong one of them. I love ugali. At night I can't eat anything apart from ugali. It's better I eat ugali. I can't eat something like chapati. Chapati at night for supper. I like taking only ugali, nothing else apart from ugali. For instance, for example, I find that someone has cooked something like chicken and something with chapati or rice. For me, that meal for me, I won't consider it as a meal, because I like ugali. Just like anything apart from ugali for supper, that's not meal for me. And it's not only for me, just like just from our tribe, we believe the best meat for supper is just ugali, which is done from corn flour. It's made from corn flour. That's how ugali. Some chicks here. Some chicks here. That's how chicks there. You can see them. Some chicks. There are some baby chicks here. I think there is like this one. They are like 1 week old chicks. That their mother is trying to protect them. Maybe things like, I want to take one of its baby. That's a good mother. She knows how to do that's parental love, guys. Here they have done there is a backyard farm orchard, the one for the vegetables here. This is their fence alongside the farm, where they get just a small place where they are. It's a small one, but it's good. The productivity, it's good. They get some greens there, especially during rain, because this place earlier it's like a desert. Yeah, this is spinach. This is spinach. This is spinach, guys. Yeah, this one is good. This one is good for this one over here. It's good for in case you have got low blood. You have to eat this one. It's good to increase the rate of blood. The spinach, guys. So just stay on. Just watch the video until the end, guys. Watch the video until the end. And if you're watching for the first time, oh, kindly, guys, I'm so humble, guys. If you're watching for first time, subscribe, guys. That's one way of supporting me, guys. I grew. That's one way of supporting me, guys, to grow. This is one way of supporting me, guys. Guys, the reason for the reason here, it's because of the one that you can see there. They are avoiding them to invade the farm and eat the greens here, which they are installing. Kales here. There is kales, so the chicken, they can invade, dry. If they invade and then you can't find anything. But as for now, this place, it has taken long without rain. So that's why you can see the place, it's so dry. The place is so dry, guys. But this one is doing well. This one, it doesn't mind. No matter whether it's dry or rainy. But during rain, it does so better. Guys, this is the farm, though. most things are here. Most plants are dry. They are drying up. You can see this is a corn plant, which is a maize. It's drying up because of rain. All here, this is scales, guys. This is scales. It has been eaten up by some pests, guys. There are a plant. This is for an avocado plant. Yeah, it's doing well. I think the reason why it's not, the leaves, they are still at least in a good shape, it's because it's alongside the perimeter wall, of which it is being protected from the direct sunlight. That's why it's doing well. The leaves, they are dry, they are green. Look at the farm, guys. The dump here, this is I think these are the carrots. They are dry. The carrot, guys. This one over here. This is a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. Just guys, enjoy the view, guys. Some tomatoes. This is a tomato, guys. And there are some of them down the side. You know, guys, this one, the small one, they are very nice. They are very nice, guys. This one, they are very nice. So yummy. So yummy, guys. So yummy. So sweet. Guys. Look at that, guys. Look at the just area. This is sorghum. This is sorghum, guys. This one over here is sorghum. When it has already done flowering. It is flowering. It's doing flowering. Guys, just have a view. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Here, what we do when this one is ready, you know, it's prone to birds. So birds, they will start eating the crop when it is in the farm. So what we do, we normally look for anything that can be a polythene paper, or any something like this, a piece of cloth, and then come and cover the grains here, so that we prevent the birds from eating this sorghum. That's how we normally do. So when it will be ready, it will be covered. It will be covered. It will be covered. It will be covered, guys. Like this is sweet potatoes. This one, if you have got this one, the sweet potatoes, and you have no sugar, and you want to take like tea, especially I'm talking from experience at the village, whereby you can find like maybe the parents, they have no money to purchase sugar for the tea, so they just prepare the sweet potatoes, and even they can just heat some water on the fire, and then they add tea leaves, and then from there you take with the sweet potatoes early in the morning for as a tea break. That's not a tea break, that's for tea. Here there is a chicken coop. Here it's a chicken coop. There is a mesh, and they have covered with they have covered here. So stay tuned, guys. Let me go inside and see and show you around, guys. Watch the video until the end, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys, like, share, and comment, guys. That's one way of supporting me, guys. Your support mean a lot to me, guys. Your support mean a lot just by pressing the subscriber button. Oh, I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. You see, this is what I was talking about. I just opened the door to come in, and one of the chicken just followed me right away. It's here. So yeah, guys, yeah, there is a fireplace here. Fireplace. This is a fireplace. A fireplace just adjacent to the chicken coop, guys. It's a little bit dark, but I think you'll be able just to have a look. This is the chicken coop. Hey, wow. So sometimes back, I had some chicken I tried to raise, but I tried to keep them here, and because of some constraint, and there was a disease that came and swept them, all of them. I remember out of around 50 birds, they died, all of them. I only remain with 2 that I later ate after that incident, guys, happened. So yeah, just have a look, guys. Have a look, guys. This is a chicken coop. Though this one is not good enough, this one is not proper. This one, it's only to keep something like chicks for a while, and then you move them from here up to here, from up to here, whereby you will be able here. The good thing with the here, you'll not be always coming to collect this waste coming from the chicken, because one the waste normally fall from here up to the floor. So you can be like this one. It's good, even if you are doing something else, you can finish, like you can take even like a week for you to come and attend to do some cleanness here, because there is no way the chicken will be come in contact with the waste. You know that one is the most thing that normally cause death in chicken, when there is this their waste, and then the place, if the place is not well ventilated. See, like here, the reason to leave this space here, it was for the aeration. This one is to let the air to enter, so that the chicken won't be affected by the respiratory diseases. The other side here, there is another one. This is the chicken coop, guys. This is the chicken coop. Guys, you can see they are laying. There are some of the chicken that are laying. I can see there are some few eggs around, guys. There are some eggs here, guys. Wow, I like chicken farming, especially here. But in the city here, there is no way you lack a market for the business. If you are doing the business, you're selling chicken here, there is no way you will fail to get the market. There is ready market, but the project requires some money, so you just have to get some money to do the project. Just look at the view, guys. Look at the view. So sometimes they can collect the waste from using, just by taking out that sack. They have placed a sack just under the chicken coop, guys. This is where the chicken, if the chicken want to access their respective place, so they have to pass here. Then they enter. Now you can close them and separate them. Here there is one chicken laying on the eggs. There is one, I think you can see it, guys. That one over there, guys. I love animals. This is their resting. When they want to rest at night, you know, chicken, they don't like sleeping just on the floor. They like climbing. They want to relax, to have their time. So that's how it is. But the house, you can see there is some termites trying to eat the poles. So I think in some time to come, if we won't do something like applying oil, we normally apply oil to prevent them from being eaten by the termites. It's being eaten by the termites, the poles. Guys, I think you are enjoying the video, guys. This one here, it's the waste coming from the chicken coop. I like chicken farming. If you do chicken business properly, guys, trust me, you'll be rich. Especially here in town, you'll be rich enough. That's nice business. So guys, if you have liked my video, guys, please like, comment and share, guys. That's one way of supporting me, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.